Hello friends, in this video I want to share basic information specific to electrical trade. But this video is useful for instrumentation and millwrights that are in first year or second year. Journeyman exam in electrical field has almost 60% questions from codebook, about 40% questions on technical theory. The good thing is it is an open book exam, so you are allowed to take your recent edition of codebook. But you shouldn't write anything on the pages. If something is written, then they won't allow that book to take you into exam. You can always put these tabs with unit numbers on this. I would explain why this is useful. When I wrote my Red Seal exam first time, I answered 71 questions and time was over. So 29 questions I just marked with hit and trial. It was 67% required to pass the exam and I got 62%. So then I booked exam for the next month because I knew I failed it because I could not manage my time properly. So then these tabs help you to navigate the code faster to save your time. So every unit should have tab so you don't waste time to navigate the codebook. The main thing is how to navigate the codebook. Now there are tables that are quick information about wire sizes, which wire can handle how many amperes. So those tables you can mark them like tabs, so that when you need tables you just open the tables. So on the first page there is a list of tables. I can read few. You cannot see it in the video, so I can read few. The table 1 explains allowable amperities for single unshielded copper conductor rated not more than 5000 volt in free air, passed on an ambient temperature of 30 degrees centigrade. So this table has all the temperatures. Two things to note. Conductor is rated for less than 5000 volts. So if you are using more than 5000 volt, this table is not applicable. Then there is a AWG, American wire gauge. Some countries also say SWG, standard wire gauge. Then there are all the temperatures: 60 degree, 90 degree, 110. So you just have to check like 8 AWG wire, and then under the temperature 90 degree can handle 80 amps. So this is quick information. Then table number 2, allowable amperities are not more than 3 copper conductors. That was single conductor. So two things to note. How many volts the conductor is rated and how many conductors. Not more than 3 copper conductors. That means neutral split phase red and black, and there are temperatures. So 3 parameter, you just match 3 parameter and you have the number how many amps it can handle. So there are lot of tables. The main point is how quickly you navigate this code book. Not just an exam, when you are doing installation, planning installation, you need that information quickly. So this is about navigating code book. The most important thing that I learned from my mentor, every code written in this book has some intent. So we have to understand that intent why that code is written. If we understand the intent, it's easy to understand the code. For example, we cannot have connections inside the drywall. We have to connect it inside a box. The intent here is, if there is any spark, it must be contained within the box. So if we understand the intent, then it's easy to understand the code. I will try few technical theory videos too. But if you learn to navigate code book, your 60% work is done, because it's open book exam. Thank you, friends.